Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. In the belief that you will wish to stop at a simple but pleasant hotel, we have sent to you today a copy of our recently issued booklet. The total charge for a couple per week is only 10 guineas. This rate includes a double room. Single rooms are 5 guineas and up. Our fare is simple but good. People tell us that our table is first class. They say indeed that it has no equal. We doubt that it is unequaled. But we do know that we use only the best foods and that our charges are quite reasonable. We make no charge at all for golf or swimming.